Shingle roofs possibly getting banned in Florida? Wait. Let's back up here. Hello everyone, Antonio here with Mangrove Realty, and today I'll be covering a very big topic that maybe you have or haven't heard, and it's going to affect both buyers and sellers if it does take effect. But I don't want to be confusing anybody. I don't want to be putting any false information, so we're going to get down to the details. So big changes could be coming to the Florida real estate market. Imagine buying a home only to find out that the roof needs to be completely replaced. Florida is considering banning certain type of roofs, and this could have a major impact on home values, insurance rates, and what buyers should look for. Let's break it down. Florida's harsh climate, strong hurricanes, heavy rain, and scorching sun means some roofs just don't hold up. Asphalt shingle roofs, one of the most common in Florida, are being scrutinized because they can deteriorate faster and don't always withstand the severe storms. So what's the state's solution? Well, Florida may start phasing out certain roofs, meaning new construction and even some home sales could require replacements. So you may be asking yourself, so how will this affect buyers and sellers? So for home buyers, expect higher home prices if sellers have already upgraded to metal or tile roofs. Inspection focus will shift to roof condition, which will be a deal breaker in negotiations. And lastly, insurance rates could improve with impact resistant roofs, since the insurance will have less risk on these roofs that tend to deteriorate a lot slower and resist hurricanes a lot better. But now if you're a seller, outdated roofs could lower your home's value or even lead to a much longer selling time / days on market. Buyers may ask for credits or replacements before the closing, which typically you tend to see right now. If a shingle roof is older than about 15 years old, you tend to see, at least the way I do business, I recommend my buyers to ask for a credit. Homes with metal roofs or tile roofs will generally sell faster and for higher prices because, again, the buyers are going to be willing to pay more money for a home that's already been brought up to date. So if you're a homeowner, you may be saying, if this does take effect, what's the smartest move for me? Well, if you plan to sell soon, consider roof upgrades or be ready for buyer negotiations. If you're buying, factor in the long-term savings of a durable roof versus replacing a shingle roof in a few years. And obviously, lastly, work with a great agent like myself who knows how to navigate and negotiate this market, whether you're a buyer or a seller. Now, before I do leave you, I want to give you my input. And not only my input, I also want to let you know that none of this is set in stone. None of this is official to take place. So if you're a buyer or a seller, I don't want you running out. If you're a seller and, go get a metal or tile roof. If you're a buyer, I don't want you freaking out. I just want to keep you aware and let you know of what could possibly happen. If you ask my opinion, if I think it's going to happen, I don't think so. But then at the same time, we see what's happening with the insurance companies not wanting to insure and citizens having to pick up whoever's not getting picked up in the general market. So who knows? It is a possibility. They're obviously having talks about it. I think both sides, especially a seller, would have a hard time accepting it if you have a shingle roof and you're obligated to replace it. Although I will say, if it does happen, I think there's going to be a grandfathering in where if you currently have a shingle roof, as long as there's X amount of life left, you should be fine. I don't think that the law is going to pass and then they're going to make everybody that has a shingle roof replace it. Same if you're building a new construction, obviously after that law does take effect, if it takes effect, they're going to make sure that the only material that could be used would be metal or tile. Me personally, I have a shingle roof right now, and even without this law coming into effect, I've already spoken to my wife, and we've actually said that our next roof, personally, is going to be a metal roof. I really like the look of the metal roofs. I like how you can paint them, and I just feel they're a little bit more durable than even the tile roofs, because I've seen those during the hurricanes and how much damage even those can sustain. So that's my input. Like I said, I don't want you guys getting freaked out, but I totally want you to be aware. More importantly, I'd love to hear your input. What do you think about this? Do you think it would benefit? Do you think it'd be worse? Are you for it? Are you against it? Whether you're a buyer or seller, I would love to hear your input. Any input you guys have, be sure to put it down in the comments below. I would love to have a conversation. My contact information is also down below. You're more than welcome to reach out to me. I would love to chat over the phone. I always love talking about real estate If you guys haven't noticed, it's what I do for a living, so I always really enjoy covering it, especially topics like this that sometimes can be a little controversial. So guys, that's going to be it. If you liked it, please be sure to give my video a like, leave a comment down below. Like I said, I love to chat. And please, 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 if I've earned a subscription, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't noticed already, I've been doing a lot more videos, and I'm actually going to start doing more videos like this one because I'm getting a lot of people, a lot of my past clients, a lot of my circle, my sphere of influence have been asking me if I can cover more of these topics. So it's what I plan to do. So thank you guys very much. As always, till next time.